Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show how to make 404 error page with little animation. Create index.html file, press Shift 1 tab. In body, add H1 text with text that it will be displayed 404 error page. Add span with text, sorry, we can't find the page. Add section with class error container. Add span with class 4 and number displayed 4. Next one, span with class 0 and number display 0. And third span with class 4 and display text also 4. Open index.html file in browser of your choice or start live server. Reload this page. So now 404 error page text displayed as well as text, so we can find the page displayed. Next part it is to add CSS. This is a small project, so I will add style into index.html file. And I will not create a separate style.css file. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. Reload the page. Now margin and padding 0. So search for a font called Rubik or any other font that you like and add regular 400 as well as medium 500. Copy link, paste it in head under the title. In body, copy CSS part for Google font, paste it, and add background color, which is off-white color. Save it, reload the page. Font change to Rubik font, as well as background color change to off-white color. Next part it is to work on this H1 text. We will add margin 80 pixels. This 80 pixels, it will be margin from top, and 15 pixels. Text align center, font weight 400, bold, and also added letter spacing 2 pixels. Color of H1 text, it is grayish. Reload the page. Error container comes with margin 70 pixels and 15 pixels. Text align center, font size 100 pixels, and font weight 500. For span, position relative, and display inline block. After the page reload, this looks pretty okay, but I want to add more colors into it. So let's do it. For error container, span.4, width 140 pixels, height 45 pixels. Background, linear gradient 140 degree, comma, RGBA 0, 0, 0 and 0.1, 0%. Second RGBA, transparent 44% and transparent 100%. 105 degree, transparent 0, transparent 40%. Added colors for 41% and 76%. Transparent 77% and transparent on 100%. Added colors for linear gradient to right, brighter pink color and darker pink color. Reload the page and first part of number 4 displayed. For error container, span for before and after, position absolute, display block. For error container, span for before, width 40 pixels, height 150 pixels. Background, also linear gradient. You can pause the video if you want to check second line from number 4 displayed correctly. For error container span for after, width 140 pixels, height 45 pixels, rotate minus 49 degrees and added background linear gradient to right and 5 light colors. Reload the page. Now upper part displayed too. For error container span for letter 0, width 160 pixels, height 160 pixels, overflow hidden, and background minus 45 degree transparent, and added 7 colors. Reload the page. For error container span number 0 before, width 90 pixels, height 90 pixels, transform rotate 45 degree, background color transparent, added linear gradient. For error container number 0 after, width 70 pixels, height 70 pixels, background of white color. For screen reader text, added top and left and position absolute. Reload the page. Now everything displayed correctly. Next part is to add animation to this number 0. Keyframes for number 0 include, while 0% box shadow inserted, pinkish color. When 45% as well as 55%, box shadow inserted, 0 pixels, almost transparent, white color. On 100%, box shadow inserted, quite transparent, pinkish color, exactly the same that I've used on 0% box shadow. Now let's save it. Let's reload the page, and this is the final result. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Please consider subscribing, press like button, and if you have any questions, you can ask me in comment section.